going straight. Oh shit. Oh, hold on. God damn, fish. Go. A little more. Keep going. Go. You're good. Go. Woohoo. Holy shit, that thing's slow. You remember what PSI was supposed to be at?
I don't know, it's throwing a lot of pelitos when I got over the GoPro. Alright, do I still have my nopal? Gotta check the nopal is still there. I like how it's coming out. Fifth wing! This is the fifth wing I'm gonna put on the Celica. I really have to stop putting on fucking wings. 99% of my money is spent on wings. Ooh. You can never go wrong with Code Red. Alright guys, so we're done with the wing. You know, it came out pretty cool. I like it. We did 4 coats of regular paint, and then we did 3 of clear coat. The only disadvantage of painting outside is always those stubborn little bugs. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. I don't think I'll be able to sand it out, but that one's already stuck inside. That one's already fucked. But maybe the other ones I'll be able to take off. I really like how it came out. Guys, give me ideas onto what to put on the back. I should put like these, huh?
Oh, it comes with different ones?
Yeah. Those, right? Like 1/4. Well, I was taking off the wing in the morning. He didn't want to record it. I'm glad he didn't record it because I actually ended up cutting myself pretty bad.
I don't think we should put any on the top, man.
I don't feel confident with the double-sided tape.
But it's already gonna have rivets right here. It's not like it's gonna go anywhere.
You don't know that.
It's not.
Alright, you're the one drilling. I'll hold it.
Is that where it's gonna go? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that. Yeah?
What do you guys think? Will the spoiler fly off? It's gonna have 4 rivets in the back, and oh yeah, it also has double-sided tape right here, and then it has double-sided tape all the way on the top, and we're planning doing 1 rivet here and then 1 on the other side. The fishy wants to do 4.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just don't want the car to look a little funky, having too much rivets on, you know? Like, it looks clean like this already. I wish it can stay like that. Go with this thing right here. The middle. Right there? Yep. Somewhere, bitch. Put it somewhere. Here we go. No going back.
So what do you want me to do?
Double-sided tape is on. You got the little straps to pull it off faster, and everything lines up. So let's start off with this one, Fish.
Double-sided tape?
No, put in the rivet.
Are you sure?
Push it in. Slowly. It's in. Oh, damn. Oh no. I told you, Fish. Damn. One down. More to go.
You ready?
Look very straight. Look very straight.
What we're doing. Damn.
Yes.
The bottom.
All right, guys. So Fishy had the balls to put on these rivets. Check it out. Is it going anywhere, Fish?
I don't think so. It feels strong enough already.
Told you. Peel the whole thing off. All right. Damn. We're gonna. All right, guys. So they all lined up. Everything looks good. Hold on, Fish. Hold on. Except for one. You messed up on a hole. It doesn't really line up. You can't see it. Fish is gonna do this one. So.
I'm scared to
Just
do
watch out, because that thing bounces out of nowhere.
like that.
Yeah.
I'm scared to do it.
Don't lift it though.
This one's gonna be the hard one. Yeah, it stayed in there. Alright guys, so it's time for me to go because my dumbass forgot to put my clothes in the dryer and I have to go to work after this. And today we learned about rivets. We learned that these motherfuckers like to stay on for a bit. Well, it looks like it is staying. You can move the entire car with this. So I'm pretty sure it's a tight secure. If not, you guys will see me on the next episode going to jail. You know, so I'll probably get like a couple years, but depends if I hit a car or not. But other than that, it came out pretty cool. I like how it came out. Just have to finish the whole entire car now. Now I need something in the back, like a diffuser, like a rear bumper, something like that. I can't see shit. I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.
Later, Fish.
See ya.
So we just rolled up to the meet.
Friends coming out.
No problem, man.
You got friends coming out, just let them know there's gonna be a lot of kids around, so
Alright,
don't
for
act
sure.
stupid.
Cool.
Yeah,
Thank you, man.
Park anywhere, man.
All right, thank you. Those wheels got the sparkle that I wanted on mine. It would be nice nice to get a 33, but after the 32.
It is. How much money is that? Don't mind me asking.
You know what this reminds me of?
Hey Arnold.
What's up?
See where you at, man? Are you being a slave right now, bro? Because I'm having fun, bro.
You guys remember this car? Come on, what kind of car is it?
Oh, I get it.
I don't get it.
Remember I told you that it has a circle engine,
Yeah.
but in the middle is a triangle? That's the middle triangle. Savage.
I'm so pumped that I'm going to look at it. Because I think when I say
Speed Hunters. What the hell? Oh, I need to get that for my tires. Everybody's rolling in right now. Or are they leaving?
The other one was in 2018. The one that he just moved it towards the other side. We have to.
What's up, man? Good to see you, dude.
How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Yeah. Checking it out.
What's up, man?
Oh shit, get out the way. How's it running?
Good. So far, so good.
That's right, people, come over here. That was a good meat. Fishy, you missed out. We got some Carl's Jr., some hot Cheetos, and we didn't make it to the movie.
There was a line around.
There's a big line.
Around the movie.
Yeah. So tickets were sold out, and we didn't want to wait till 11 because we're kind of tired already. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Somebody made a new friend.
Yes.
And stay tuned for the next video.